Hello everyone, I'm going to be doing a demonstration on VLANs and setting up inter VLAN routing. Before I get into that, I'm going to quickly touch on setting up ports between switches and also VTP servers and clients. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to set up a trunk port between the switches. I'll just hop on the switch 2 here. I'll start off by doing the show command. Show interfaces, switch port command. And I'm using fast Ethernet 0/1 and 0/2 between all of the switches. So I'm showing you that the administrative mode is dynamic auto, which means it automatically negotiates whether it's going to be a switch port, access port, or trunk port. Right now it's access port. I want it to be switch port on all interfaces. Same thing for fast Ethernet 0/2, dynamic auto, access mode. So I'm going to do, you have to hop under the interface. You want to be a trunk. Use the switch port mode trunk command. I'm going to do that for all the interfaces that I want to be trunks. I'm just going to hop over to switch 1 and 3 and do the same thing. Okay, now I've set up trunk ports between each switch. I'm going to do another show command to show you. See, the administrative mode is now trunk, so is operational mode. Same thing for fast Ethernet 0/2. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to set up VTP clients and servers. I want switch 1 and switch 3 to be clients and switch 2 to be a server. First I'm going to do a show command, show VTP status, to show you that the operation mode by default is a server. But we want this to be a client. And the way you do that is with the VTP mode command. We want client. So I'll just set that up, both switch 1 and switch 3. Now, as I just showed you, it's on server by default, so I don't have to change switch 2 to server. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the domain name with the domain command, VTP domain command. I'm just going to call it VTP1. And while I'm in here, I'm going to go ahead and create the VLANs that I want. I'm going to be using VLANs 10, 20, and 30. The way you do that is with the VLAN command. Just type in VLAN and then the VLAN that you want to create. I'm not going to give them names. I'm just going to create the VLANs. I'm I'm going to do another show VTP status command to show you that the number of VLANs is going up from 5 to 8, and the revision number is going up from 0 to 3. Now hopefully, if I did this right, switch 1 and switch 3 should have those VLANs. Sure enough, the revision number is also going up to 3 because these are clients, and the number of VLANs is going up to 8. To show you even further, I'm going to do a show VLANs command, and here are the 3 VLANs that I created on switch 2. They're now on switch 1. But as you can see, there are no ports assigned to them, and that's the next thing I want to do. I'm going to hop over to switch 2. I created the IP addresses to match the VLANs. Everything's 192.168, but as you can see here on PC6 I have 30, and that means I want to put it under VLAN 30. And same thing here, I've got 20, I'm going to put it on VLAN 20. You just have to match up the interfaces on the switch. You have to get under the interface that you want to change, and do a switch port access VLAN, and then the VLAN you want it to be under. In this case, it's VLAN 30. I'm going to do this for every interface with the PCs. Now before I assign the interfaces on switch 1 to the correct VLANs, I'm going to try to test connectivity to show you what's going on here. Now right now,